Match the given pictures with their respective hair. Boy, grandfather, mother, girl, father, grandmother.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.